Right guys, right in the middle of Chaweng Road here, you've got Chaweng Beach Resort, where I'm staying, as I said in another video. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you around. I'm going to show you the room, the pool, and around the breakfast area, and then out onto the beach. Alright, so let's go. The Chaweng Garden Beach Resort, Koh Samui. Let's go and have a look. That's the old reception desk. And here's the new reception desk. So when your taxi pulls up from the airport, the transfer, you just come in there. You got this beautiful waiting area. It's lovely. But I'm not new to this place. I've stayed here now a couple of times. But what is new is this bar area. Look at it. Lazy pool and that. It's brilliant. So you got a pool with a waterfall and some shade. And over towards the bar. As you can see through there. Oh yeah, it's lovely. So my room is just up here a little bit. And this is the superior room. So you got apartments on the lower level and on the higher level up there. So this is my room here, C7, and you can see the lazy river still continues to go on. So I'll have a look in here. So this is a little seating area here. You can dry your clothes and that. I have left this open just for the purpose of recording, but here's the room here. So this is triple room. Nicely air-conned. You also got a fan up there, your smart TV. Got a little fridge in there. Room comes with a safe. Can't really see it. Bathroom. Comes with a bath. And nice big shower. So it's just standard room really. It does have Wi-Fi. So as you can see there, I just done a test before I left. Speed check. Yeah, nearly 200 megabytes. It's decent internet. Right, let's continue to have a look around. So there's the stairs that obviously bring you upstairs to the top ones. And then the lazy river finishes about there. And continues all the way up to the bar area. lovely and fresh. It's not too cold. Sorry, car. Here comes an airplane. Sorry, car. So the room there that I'm in, that's a triple superior room, and around here now you have more just double rooms, like, which I've stayed in before. So up along there, all these rooms here would be sort of like the budget friendly rooms of this resort. And then these ones here are the chalets, which obviously would be premium. So you have these premium bungalows kind of dotted around the place. You got a couple more over there, over there. Sawadee ka. So in the morning times, this is where you come for breakfast. So breakfast is from 6 a.m. in the morning to 10:30. I normally sit out here. It'll just be nice and fresh. And yeah, so breakfast is here basically. You know, so you'd sign in here. There's some staff members there. You have to show your key room, the key of your room, because it has the number on it. It does be pretty busy. But you can see just all over here, these areas here, that's where all the food must be. So you can think it's mostly local foods, authentic rices and stuff like that, noodles and curries. But there is Western food there. This morning I was able to have a ham cheese croissant. So down here is the other pool area. And then you can just see just over that way. Massage area. So just over there, as you can see now, that's the pool bar. And then this is the entrance to the beach. So getting set up for dinner here. Oh, isn't this lovely? Like, how fabulous is this?
It started at 1 and it was for an hour and a half, so we did that. And
Absolutely stunning. Guys, there you have it. It's Chaweng Garden Beach Resort. Quick video just to show you what it looks like from the street, in through the rooms, through the breakfast area, and then down to the beach here. Alright guys, until next time. Peace. Slán it.